Good evening, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Tonight we're going to be doing some cooking with top ramen. We're going to make some Thai pie wraps and a type of shrimp salad. I forget exactly what it's called, but here are your timestamps. Let's get cooking. Alright, these are our ingredients. We need peanut butter, top ramen, tortillas, chicken, cilantro, green onion, bell pepper, coleslaw mix, shrimps, soy sauce, and of course measuring cups. And I'll tell you the measurements as we go along. But let's start with our Thai wraps. Alright, so for the Thai wraps we need to do our top ramen, discard the beef packet, cook it as instructions follow. We need 2 tablespoons peanut butter, 1 1/4 cup coleslaw mix, 1/2 cup diced chicken, and soy sauce is optional. So let's get to the dicing of the chicken part. So we need 1/2 cup diced chicken. It doesn't say skinless or not, so I'm just going to assume skinless. And I cheated anyway because I bought a rotisserie chicken. So, we have a little more than 1/2 cup. That's okay. We're going to put it in this cup. And then we need 1 1/4 cup of coleslaw mix. That I also cheated. So I need 1/4, 1/2 cup of 1/2 cup. Then 2 full cups. Once I get all this measured out and ready, I'm gonna microwave our top ramen as instructed. Okay, so instructions say bring 2 cups boiling water into a saucepan, add noodles, and uncover for 3 minutes. Stir occasionally to loosen noodles. Do not overcook. Remove from heat, stir in soup base, and serve. I'm going to use a microwave, so I'm going to put this in a bowl with water for about 3 minutes. And throw away the seasoning packet because we don't need it. With our noodles cooked, we need to add 2 teaspoons of peanut butter. It says 1 at a time, mix until melted. So there's 1. 2. It says after we mix this, we need to throw in our coleslaw and chicken. So for that, I got a bigger bowl. So let's move our coleslaw and chicken to this bowl. And we will try to add our noodles, peanut butter, and water into it as well, hopefully without making too much of a mess. Mix it. That went surprisingly well. And this is we are to serve on 6-inch flour tortillas. It said immediately, but I'm going to let this sit for a little bit because we still need to do one more thing. This is going to be more of our appetizers, if anything. I'm going to use this bowl to trap it. Alright, let's move into the next part. For our shrimp and pepper noodle bowl, we need 2 packets of shrimp top ramen. Keep the seasonings, we're just going to add those later. 8 ounces baby shrimp. So about half this because that's 16 ounces. Soy sauce, cilantro, green onion, bell pepper. Alright, so let's get the noodles boiling. According to this, it says 4 cups water in a large saucepan over heat. Remove seasonings from packets from noodles. Set aside. Break up ramen. Add to water. Then add shrimp and bell pepper. So let's do that. 1 cup bell pepper strips. I'm not gonna make you watch me dice the whole bell pepper. 4 cups water. 2 packets of top ramen with vegetables. Okay, so that was my bad. I should have known that. So wait for those to boil, and then where did I put that book? Alright, so once these are boiled and cooked, we are to add our shrimp and bell pepper. And then later, we are to add the seasoning packets, green onion, soy sauce, hot sauce, and let that cook for a minute. Oh, hey, cilantro is completely optional. Well, yeah, we're going to let this do its thing first. 1 cup bell peppers, 1/4 cup green onion. And even though it said optional, I'm going to dice up cilantro, and we need 2 tablespoons of that. Now, this has probably been easier just for me to tear up. No, I'm not going to worry about it right now. Well, that's definitely 1. Okay, so mistakes were made. I had to fish out my bell pepper. But now we have 2 tablespoons green onion. No, 2 tablespoons cilantro. And 1/4 cup chopped green onions. Now we need 1/2 teaspoon hot sauce. It didn't say what kind of hot sauce, so dealer's choice. I chose jalapeno. And then 2 tablespoons. Nope, that's not right either. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. After that, we're going to check on our noodles. And we'll probably have to add our shrimp and bell pepper at that point. Oh no. Hit operator error. There we go. And of course you're going to cook that. So 1 tablespoon soy sauce. No. Yes, 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Okay, let's check our noodles. Okay, our noodles look good. Add 1 cup bell pepper. 8 ounces baby shrimp. So about half of that. It says we should let this cook for about 3 minutes. So let's give this a good stirring. And then after that we add everything else. Our cilantro, green onion, hot sauce, soy sauce, and seasoning packets. So, check back with you in 3 minutes. Okay, now we add everything else, mix it, remove it from heat, and let it set for a minute, I believe. Alright, let's make a couple wraps. This final good mixing. Smells good. Now I'm gonna grab the soy sauce and add a little on it. Okay, so that's 1. Go grab another tortilla real quick. Pause. 2. According to the book, I should be able to make 6 of these. Which is good, because that means now I'll have some for lunch tomorrow. Again, add some soy sauce. Alright. Now let's go serve up our soup. Alright, here we are. We have our shrimp noodle bowl, our wraps. Let's try our wraps first. That's actually good. That's really good. Our shrimp and pepper bowl. Shrimp and pepper might help. This was another absolute success. Alright, so thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoy this video. Until next time. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click the like button. If you have any suggestions or criticisms, leave a comment. And if you want to stay tuned for my next project, don't forget to click that subscribe icon and ring that bell. So, until our next project, have a beautiful day.